A very good morning, my dear children. In today's maths class, we are going to do sums on multiplication. Are you ready for today's session? So, I think you all have learnt tables, right? You all have revised the tables from 6 to 10. You know, from 2 table to 10 table, right? So, we'll do the sums based on that. So, now we have two methods in multiplication. We have two methods in multiplication: horizontal multiplication and vertical multiplication. Usually now we are going to perform only vertical multiplication. So first we'll see what is horizontal method. In horizontal multiplication, we place the numbers next to each other with a multiplication sign in between. See, for example, 4 into 2. So this is horizontal multiplication. What is that? Horizontal multiplication. We place the numbers and in between we place this multiplication, this symbol in between. This is called horizontal multiplication. So now in horizontal multiplication, we place the numbers next to each other. It will be next to each other with a multiplication sign in between. You will have a multiplication sign in between the horizontal multiplication. The product is also written in the same row. So now tell me, what is the answer for 4 2s are? 4 into 2? 4 2s are 8. Where will you write the answer? In the same row. So horizontal multiplication, the answer also we will write in the same row. How will you write the numbers? Next to each other. We'll write the numbers next to each other and we'll place the multiplication sign. This is the multiplication symbol, right? So this symbol we will place in between and the answer where we will write? In the same row. In the same row we will write the answer. I'll give you one more example now. Just tell me what is 3 into 3. So we are going to multiply these two numbers. 3 3s are 9. Where will you write the answer? Yes, same row only. We are going to write the answer in horizontal way of multiplication. We have one more method of multiplication, that is vertical multiplication. In vertical multiplication, we place the numbers one below the other. Just see, same number, 4 2s are 4. How we are going to write the numbers? Vertical. You know this is horizontal. This is horizontal and this is vertical. You all know this, right? So we are going to write the numbers vertically. We'll see how to write the numbers one below the other. 4 2, one below the other with a multiplication sign before the second number. Just see, multiplication number, I'm just putting it here, left hand side. So multiplication number sign before that second number. The product is written below the second number. Where will you write the answer? 4 2s are. Where will you write the answer? So first we are going to multiply these two and where we are going to write it? 4 2s are below this second number. 4 2s are 8. So we should not write here. This is wrong. Where you have to write? You have to write below the second number. This is vertical method of multiplication. Horizontal method, what we will do? We will write the numbers next to each other and we'll place the symbol in between and the answer where we will write? Same row, right? And vertical multiplication, how you will write the numbers? One below the number. See, one number, below that one more number, and where will you write the answer? Below this second number. 4 2s are a multiplication symbol before that second number. Then 4 2s are 8. Understood? This is vertical method of multiplication. Shall we do the sums? Now. Now I think you all know tables, so you are going to say the answer for this. Find the product. Find the product. What method is this? Vertical method of multiplication. See this number. It is written one below the other and the answer where you should write here. So we should write the answer here. Now first sum is 6 into 7. We are going to multiply 6 into 7. Now tell me, 6 7s are? 6 7s are? Think and tell me the answer. 6 7s are? 6 7s are 42. Shall we write the answer? 6 7s are 42. 42, 42. 6 sevens are 42. So you know how to write the answer, right? Shall we move on to the next sum? And you can multiply this way also. 7 6 are or 6 sevens are. Which table is easy for you? You can multiply because the product will be the same for both the answers, right? So now we are going to multiply 9 into 5 or 5 into 9, which is easy for you, you can do that. So 9 5s are, we are going to multiply 9 into 5. 9 5s are, think and tell me the answer. 9 5s are 45. Shall we write this now? Shall we write it below? Where you will write the answer? Here, right? So shall we write 9 5s are 4, 5, 45. 9 5s are 45. Shall we move on to the next one? First one is 6 sevens are 42. This is vertical method of multiplication. So we are going to multiply these two numbers and we are going to write the answer below this, right? So 9 5s are 45. Shall we move on to the next one? So if you know in this we can if you know 10 tables you can do directly, or you can split that also, that we will just see it later. Now 10 4s are, so now 10 4s are 40. 10 4s are 40. 10 4s are 40. Or else you can do it separately also, that we will see how to multiply. So as we know 10 tables, I am just writing the answer directly. 10 4s are 40. 40, 40. Now next one. So now D sum. 7 3s are, we are going to multiply 7 and 3. These two we are going to multiply. So we can multiply 3 into 7. If you know 3 tables, 3 sevens are also you can write, or 7 3s are. 7 3s are 7 3s are, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 40, 7 3s are 21. So write the answer 21, 21. 7 3s are 21. 6 sevens are, first one is 42. 9 5s are, where you have to write the answer below this. 9 5s are 45. 10 4s are 40. Now 7 3s are 21. Now let's move on to the next one, E sum. Now we are going to do E sum. Now we are going to multiply 3 into 8 or 8 into 3, whichever is easy. You can do that. 3 8s are 24. Write down E sum. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Where you have to write the answer? You are going to write the answer below that, right? Below the second number. 3 8s are 24. Now 8 into 6. 8 6 are, think and tell me, 8 6 are or 6 8s are? 8 6 are 48. Write down 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. Now let's move on to the next one, G sum. 8 into 9. 8 9s are and 9 8s are. Whichever is easy, you can multiply. 8 9s are 72. Write down 7 2 72. 8 9s are 72. Now H sum. 7 7s are. 7 7s are. Now tell me the answer. 7 7s are is 49. 7 7s are 49. 49. 7 7s are 49. 3 E sum. 3 8s are 24. 8 6 are 48. Next sum. 8 9s are 72. 7 7s are 49. Now next sum. So now these two 8 2s are 16. 8, we are going to multiply these two numbers. 8 2s are 16. 1 6 16. 8 2s are 16. Write down 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Now J sum. 5 into 6. 5, we are going to multiply 5 into 6, 5 6 are 5 into 6, 5 6 are, or 6 5s are, 5 6 are 30. Write down 5 6 are 30, 30. 5 6 are 30. Next one, 9 9s are, 9 9s are, 9 9s are 80. You are going to multiply these two numbers, right? 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Last one, 2 into 9. 2 9s are, 2 9s are, so as we don't have, so 2 9s are 18. So for this answer you write it down 18. 2 9s are 18. 1 8 18. 2 9s are 1 8 18. So you know how to multiply two numbers, right? So where will you write the answer in vertical method of multiplication? You have to write the answer below the second number, right? So first one. So one more time I'll just repeat. 6 7s are 42. Like this you are going to write the answer. So you know how to write the answer, right? So first multiply the numbers, write the answer below the second number. Shall we move on to the next one? Now we are going to see multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So now we saw only single digit multiplication, right? Now we are going to see multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Same way we have two methods, horizontal method and vertical method. We'll see that now. So first one, if I see this 34 is a 2-digit number, right? We have 2 digits. So we are going to multiply 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So now shall we see how to multiply? Now what is the step 1? First we are going to multiply the digit at the ones place. Take this number 34 into 2. So now take this number digit at the, this is at ones place, right? So now multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. First you multiply these two. Multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. So now 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So write down the answer 8. 4 2s are 8. Now multiply the digit at the tens place. Which number is at the tens place? 3, right? So multiply 3 by 2. So now these two we are going to multiply. First we multiply digit at the ones place by 2. Then you write the answer. Next one, multiply the digit at the tens place. This is at tens place, right? This we are going to multiply by 2. So 3 2s are 6. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write the digit at the exact places. So this is the ones place, right? So write it down. So this is at the tens place. So answer is 68. We can write the answer in the same. We can write the answer in the same row. We can write the answer in the same row. This is one method of multiplication. Usually we will do the vertical method of multiplication. Just I will repeat it one more time. 34 into 2. Just write the answer in the same row only as we don't have space. So first multiply these two. 4 2s are 8. Then 3 2s are 6. Right? You know how to multiply a 2-digit number by a single digit number, right? So first multiply the digit at the ones place by this number. Then multiply the digit at the tens place by this number. So you write the answer. Now we'll see the vertical method of multiplication now. Now this is the vertical method of multiplication. Same. First what you have to do? You have to write the number one below the other. So now I am going to multiply 34 into 2. How you will write? First write the numbers. We are going to write the numbers one below the other. First write this number 34 and below that this number. So write the multiplication symbol below this. Beside this, then we'll multiply this. First write the numbers. How you will write the numbers? One below the other. So first write the first number, then below that second number, then multiplication symbol, inside of the second number. Then shall we multiply these two numbers now? So what is the first one? Same way, multiply the digit at the ones place. First we are going to multiply these two. First what we are going to do? We are going to multiply the digit at this. First we are going to take the number 34. So first 4 I am going to multiply by 2. First I am going to multiply these two. Digit at the ones place by 2. So 4 2s are 4 2s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Where will you write the answer? 4 into 2. What is the meaning? 4 1s into 2. This is at ones place, right? 4 it is at ones place, right? So 4 1s into 2. What is the meaning? So 8 1s. So write 8 in the ones place. Now second step, multiply the digit at the tens place. Which number is at tens place now? 3. Now multiply that by 2. Multiply that by 2. So first one, we are going to multiply this. First step is we are going to multiply this. So 4 2s are 8. Second step, multiply these two. What is the meaning? I am going to multiply 3 tens. What is that 3? It is in tens place, right? 3 tens into 2. 3 tens into 2. So 3 tens are 30 into 2, right? Or else 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 tens, right? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 tens. So where will you write 6? It is in tens place, right? So write 6 in the tens place. 3 2s are 6. Why I am writing it here? Because it is in tens place, right? So 3 it is in tens place. So 3 tens into 2. 3 tens into 2. You can do 3 tens means 30 into 2. Like that also you can do. 32s are 60. That means 6 tens. So just leave it off. Just write the number below the tens place. 3 2s are 6. Write in the tens place. So you know how to multiply, right? Vertical method of multiplication. First, multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. Write the answer below. 4 2s are 8. Now, multiply the digit at the tens place by 2. 3 2s are 6. What is the meaning? 3 tens into 2. So 3 tens into 2. So 6 tens. So write 6 in the tens place. So you know how to multiply a 2-digit number by a single digit number, right? Now we'll see 2 3 sums after that. Yes. So first sum, find the product. Find the product. So now we are going to multiply 23 into 2. We are going to multiply the two numbers. 23 is a 2-digit number and we are going to multiply it by 2. Shall we multiply these two numbers now? Yes. So first one, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply these two. 3 1s into 2. 3 1s into 2. We are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. Which number is at ones place now? 3. 3 into 2. Now tell me 3 2s are. First we are going to multiply 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Where will you write the answer? Ones place. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Right below the ones place as it is 3 1s into 2. What is the meaning? 3 it is in ones place. 3 1s into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 1s. So 6 right in the ones place. Now what is the second step? Now we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by this 2. 2 2s are. Second step, 2 2s are. What is the meaning? 2 tens into 2. This is a tens place, right? So 2 tens into 2. 2 2s are 4 tens. So 4 tens. That means 4 in the tens place. 2 2s are 4. Shall I repeat it one more time? What is the first step? So first we are going to multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. We are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. So 3 2s are 6. Now we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by this number 2. 2 2s are 4. Understood, children? So you know how to multiply a 2-digit number by a single digit number, right? Shall we move on the next one? Yes? Now. So second one, just see this number 30. We are going to multiply 30 into 3. What we are going to do? We are going to multiply 30 into 3. So that's a big number. Can you multiply all together? No, right? So we'll do this vertical method of multiplication. First, we'll multiply these two numbers. We'll take the number 30. So digit at the ones place. The number digit at the ones place, multiply the digit at the ones place by 3. So 0 into 3. What is the answer for 0 into 3? When you multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0, right? So write down 0 here. So first step is over. What is the second step? So we're going to multiply the digit at the tens place by this number 3. We're going to multiply the digit at the tens place by the number 3. 3 tens into 3. What is the meaning? 3 tens into 3. So 3 threes are 9. 9 tens or 9 it is in tens place, right? So where will you write the answer? Here? No, here. So 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. So meaning is 3 tens into 3. 3 tens, what is 3 tens? 30. Meaning is actually 3 tens 30 into 3. So answer is 3 threes are 30 into 3 is 90 tens. 90 tens. That means 9 tens. Sorry, 90. So that means 9 tens. 90 is 9 tens, right? So I am writing 9 in the tens place. So I'll repeat the second sum one more time. So first we are going to multiply these two numbers. 0 into 3 is 0. Now multiply these two numbers. 3 threes are 9. 9 tens. So 3 tens into 3. 9 tens. Write it down. 90. Clear? Shall we do two more sums? Yes. C, D. Now we are going to multiply 23 into 3. 23 into 3. How to write the numbers? One below the other, right? One below the other. So the number has been written already. We are going to write only the answer. So now what is the first step? We are going to multiply the digit at the ones place by 3. What is the meaning? 3 ones into 3. 3 ones into 3. So 3 threes are 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 9 ones. What is the meaning? 9 ones. So write in the below the ones place. Now second step. Take the digit at the multiply the digit at the tens place. So 2 tens into 3. 2 threes are 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6 tens. So 6. Write in the tens place. So first one. I'll repeat it one more time. So first you're going to multiply these two. 3 threes are 3 ones into 3. 3 threes are 9. Now 2 tens into 3. 2 threes are 6. Understood? Shall we move on to the next one? D sum. Now D sum we are going to multiply 11 into 5. We are going to multiply 11 into 5. 11 into 5. Shall we write the answer now? First what we have to do? What is the first step? Multiply the digit at the ones place by 5. 1 into 5. Now tell me, one table, right? Or 5 into 1? 1 5s are 5. So 5 ones. Write in the below the ones place. Now second step is multiply the digit at the tens place by 5. Again 1 5s are 5. Write the answer 5. So you know how to multiply a 2-digit number by a single-digit number, right? So what is first we have to write the numbers one below the other where we have to place the multiplication symbol. See before this second number and where you have to write the answer below the second number, right? So first what we have to do? What is the first step? We have to take the multiply the digit at the ones place by this number. Second number. So 1 5s are 5. Now we are going to take the digit at the tens place and we are going to multiply the second number. So 1 5s are 5. So practice well the remaining sums we will do in the next class. Clear children? Just practice well the multiplication. Before that you should learn the tables. So learn the tables from 2 to 10 so that only you can do the multiplication easily. Practice well the sums, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.